Okay, I'm back again, live broadcasting on Richards Bay, and my name is Ukhozi Shakes Ngema from On The Move and Entertainment. I'm with my main man, the man of the moment, Chris Walker. How's it, sir?
All is well.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
How is South Africa keeping you?
Very well. I'm thrilled to be here. The love has just been unreal.
I've just seen your performance, wonderful stuff. You keep on doing good stuff. So tell me, how do you sustain your voice in a business? Because you don't sound like you original, like something that you hear on CD. You deliver exactly that voice. How do you sustain your voice?
I do vocal exercises, and I try to get my rest.
Yeah.
And I don't smoke. I don't drink. None of that stuff. So, and I exercise.
Oh, you exercise?
I ride my bike 15 miles.
I'm
in good shape.
Yes. So
I'm only 25. Yeah, right.
How long have you been in the music industry?
Wow, since I was 18, over probably about 31 years.
What inspired you?
Well, my father did. We had a family gospel group called the Walker Brothers with my brothers, and we traveled around the States singing gospel music. And then from there, working with Regina Bell, working with Al Jarreau, I've worked with George Benson. I mean, the list goes on and on. So music is just a part of me and who I am.
What can you say to these young up-and-coming artists who want to join and bring the music like you guys who've been there?
What I would say to the young and up-and-coming artists, stay true to your craft. Don't try to mimic other people and sound like them. You can study them to learn what they're doing, but find your own voice and stay true to that. That's my advice that I would give to them. And you have to work hard. Does it come overnight or does it come easily? So put the work in.
So how do they follow you on Twitter? You've got any?
Chris Walker Chat on Twitter, and on Facebook, Chris Walker Music on Facebook.
No Instagram?
I do have an Instagram. I can't remember what it is. You can find me though. And also go to my website. Actually, my website is chriswalkersmusic.com. Just go to chriswalkersmusic.com.
Wow, wonderful. We appreciate your...
Yes, indeed.
If you came here in South Africa, so we just overwhelmed. We're gonna do much more things in the future to create the sustainability, because our page is to take the level of the music industry in South Africa into another level.
Right.
Because we know that social media has got a huge impact of changing people's lives.
You know what's interesting? I had a conversation with the mayor yesterday about bringing South African culture to the U.S. Maybe some of the local musicians, and letting them record with me in America, and I come here and record with them.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're going to try to work out. Yeah.
Beautiful stuff.
Work that out. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy.
Absolutely.
Have a nice sleep.
Nice sleep? No, I'm excited. I can't sleep right now. No. I'm too excited.